Okay. Grade 7, this is chapter 5, lesson 5, simplifying algebraic expressions. You will be given an expression that is algebraic. How do you know? Because it has numbers and it has variables. That is how you know this is an algebraic expression. An expression with numbers and variables. Now, together with operations. So we see the operations over here are negatives or minus and plus. Okay. So before we start the lesson, there are things we need to know. Vocabulary. I need to know how to find the number of terms. I need to know what are the terms. I need to know which terms are like. I need to know what are the coefficients, and I need to know what are the constants in this algebraic expression. Okay. So how many terms? I count. I take 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many terms? We have 4 terms. Then it asks, what are the 4 terms? 9y. I can separate them with a comma. Yes. 9y. It is positive. I don't have to put the positive. But I like putting it so that when I'm doing my work, I understand. So positive 9y. How do I know it is positive? Because there is no sign here. Okay. Negative 4. Negative 11y. And, because it's the last one, positive 7. Okay. So this is the answer to this. I put it in a box. This is the answer to this. I put in a box. Which terms are like terms? The ones with the same letter. So positive 9y, negative 9, negative 11. So here I will have 2 answers. You put the ones that look the same. Like means you look the same. So 9y and negative 11y look the same because both of them have y. So I will write positive 9y and 11y, negative 11y, and then, and now I need to put the other ones, negative 4 and positive 7. So why do I have 2 answers for this question? Because these ones have y's and these ones are just numbers. Okay. So numbers by themselves are also like terms, whether they, as long as they are numbers, it doesn't matter whether they look the same or not. No, they are like terms because they are numbers. Here, they are like terms because they have the same variable. The variable is y. Who are the coefficients? The coefficients come from where you have the variable. So the number with the variable that is being multiplied or divided is the coefficient. So here I have 2 coefficients, positive 9 and negative 11. So here you write the numbers with the variable, but just the number itself, okay? So that's the answer for the coefficient. And who are the constants? The constants come from here. The constants are negative 4 and positive 7. Okay? Now I want to simplify this expression. So I put these 2 together. Okay? So I will write 9y minus 11y. I said it was positive. And then negative 4 plus 7. Okay? Then I will do this. Positive 9 minus 11y is negative 2y. Then I will do this. Negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3. And this is my answer. I cannot add them because this one does not have y. So this is my answer. These two are not like terms. You can only add or subtract like terms. So let's do another example. Let us do 4a minus 6a. I can subtract because they both have the same term a. So 4 minus 6a, the answer is 4a minus 6a means positive 4a minus 6a. Positive 4 minus 6, negative 2a. And this is the answer to this algebraic. This is how I have simplified. Let us do another example. So, I want to do another example. Negative 4x plus 7 minus 3x squared plus 9 plus 15x. Now, this negative 3x is not a like term to this. Why? Because this one does not have an exponent. So just because the letters are the same does not mean they're like term, because this exponent changes. This and this are not the same. So now I put my like terms together by using commutative property. Negative 4x will become friends with positive 15x. Okay? Then I will put positive 7 with positive 9. And then I will bring negative 3x squared. Okay? Now I will do this. Negative 4x plus 15x is 11x. Positive 7 plus 9 will be plus 16. And this becomes negative 3x squared. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So these are the like terms. You see, I've put like terms together. This one does not have a friend. Now, for you to have a friend with this, there should be another x squared. That will be the friend. Okay? All right. And that means go back to your notes and read here. See? For example, here. Like terms contain the same variable to the same powers. So if you have the same exponents, you are like terms. If your exponents are different, see? Like terms, because they have xy squared, xy squared. This is the same as this because they have the same exponents. Okay? All right. So that is what you're going to do in this lesson. You should be able to read, write an expression, put like terms together, put coefficients together, put constants together. You should also remember your integer rules for adding and subtracting. Okay? So that is what lesson 5 is about. I don't think there's any other example I need to do. All of them, I have done an example here, I've done an example there. I have solved, okay?